Hey, Jacob here from ABC Window Supply. Today, we're taking a look at an exciting new product, the Bucket Buddy. So, let's see what this thing does. Normally, when you have a sleeve that's soaking wet and dripping, you have to wring it out by hand. But sometimes, if it's really cold out, or if you have any chemicals in your water that you don't really want to be touching, you don't really want to use your hand for that. With the Bucket Buddy, you can actually wring out your sleeve without touching it. And then the Bucket Buddy has a hook on the end for attaching it to the inside or outside of your bucket when you're done. The Bucket Buddy is a great solution for wringing out your wet sleeve without having to touch it with your hands. To purchase, check out the link above or down in the description. Thanks for watching.